Every business is always looking to make things run better. But you're probably not looking at your printers to do it. So what if we told you they could? At Xerox, we've gone beyond the hardware and built software to help connect people with the information they need in fewer steps, no matter where or how they're working. When you scan using Xerox ConnectKey technology, documents are automatically sent to the people and systems who need them in a single touch, with added intelligence, so you can share, store, and find them easily. You can even convert documents into formats you can search for and edit, like Word or Excel. Faster workflows that unlock paper documents and open up a world of possibilities. Like when people work from their own mobile devices, they're still connected to important documents and systems. And when they need to, we made printing easy. So getting an extra hard copy is never an extra hassle. But it's not just about what you can do. It's doing it the right way, which is why ConnectKey protects confidential data using McAfee's embedded control software. The same security that keeps your PC safe. So you know your most important business asset, your information, is protected. Whatever your business does, Xerox ConnectKey simplifies document workflow with easy scanning, mobile access, and unsurpassed security. So your people get the information they need. They're more productive. They can respond to change and serve their clients. Because when you simplify the way you work, you can keep business running at its best.